Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Katie with John Henry's, and I'm here today to show you how to prepare a whole smoked turkey. These hand-picked pasture-raised turkeys are brined and then netted and smoked for a few days. So you can easily reheat them to activate that amazing smoky flavor and to actually fully cook them because they are not fully cooked right now. Our pasture-raised turkeys spend their days out in the pasture and the sunshine soaking up the vitamin D, and they are definitely living their best lives on our farm. We offer the smoked turkey in parts or as a whole like this one is here. Smoked turkeys come in a variety of sizes, ranging from around 9 pounds all the way up to about 16 pounds. For Easter this year, we have them available from about 11 pounds to about 16 pounds. Now, if you are serving a smoked turkey for your dinner, you're going to want to make sure that you go with a serving size of 1 pound per person to make sure that you have ample leftovers. So let's get cooking. Like I said before, the smoked turkey is not fully cooked, so it's very important that you do heat it up and make sure that the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. So in order to do that, we're going to put it in a pan, any pan of your choice. Definitely make sure though that it can at least hold 1 inch or 2 of water, and if it has a lid, awesome. But today my pan does not have a lid, so I'm going to add the water into the pan to make sure I have about 1 inch, and then I'm going to cover it really tightly with foil to make sure that it keeps as much of the steam and the juices and everything inside to kind of steam the turkey and activate that smoky flavor. All right, let's add the water to our pan. Okay, and then let's cover it tightly with foil. Now, my foil is not big enough to cover my pan, so I do have to combine 2 sheets together, and then I roll the edge to really make sure that it is secure and keeps that steam inside. Now I'm going to cover it very tightly. Okay. Wonderful. Now that that's all set, we're going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 325 degrees. All right, that's all set. Let's go ahead and put this in the oven. But if you're enjoying this video and you like seeing all of these recipes and everything, please like and subscribe. If you'd like to follow this same recipe that I'm using today, see the link in the description box below. Okay, the turkey is done cooking. I made sure that the internal temperature of the turkey reached 165 degrees, and it took about 3 hours at 325 degrees. So now it's time to see the finished product. Look at that. Doesn't that just look beautiful? The nice brown skin and everything. This is going to be great. Smoked turkey is an awesome option if you have family or friends who don't eat pork and maybe they still would like to enjoy that rich, smoky flavor. A smoked turkey is a great substitute for that. So the next time you're looking to maybe plan Easter or another special event, definitely consider choosing a smoked turkey. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for supporting our farm. We offer the turkey, and we recommend that if you are serving this for a special gathering or Easter, that you purchase a 1 pound, never mind, let me try this again. All right, let's get cooking. So, like I said before, the smoked turkey is not fully cooked, so it will need to be heated up and have the internal temperature reach 165 degrees.
Let's try it again.
Let's get cooking. So, like I said before, the smoked turkey is already fully cooked. Oh my gosh. And at that point, then I will check with my internal probe. No, I'm just kidding.
Blooper.
I know.